Hello everyone, namaste and welcome back to my channel. I welcome you to a bare naked face video because it is a skincare video. Guys, I'm going to talk about 5 skincare habits today which completely changed my life and transformed my skin. My love for skincare is not something I always had. I'm talking about 10 years from now when I was, going through my teens, when I was in college, when I started working. Skincare was not a thing back then. There were not much product in the market. There were no one to guide you, to inform you, and to tell you which products to use, what is a correct skincare regime. There were very less knowledge and information about skincare in the market, and YouTube was also not a thing back then, because nowadays you learn everything from YouTube. You get whatever you want to know, you get it on YouTube. So that was also not there for people back then, before 10 years. So for me, skincare was like, few DIY skin face packs and maybe a moisturizer. I never used to have different moisturizer for face and for body then. Gosh, how could I do this to myself? Guys, our face pH and our body pH are very different. We cannot use the same moisturizer for our face and for our body. So I was so ignorant back then. Time passed and I still stayed ignorant until 2018, when I delivered my son. I started noticing a lot of skin change post delivery. Though I was informed about the body changes and about the skin changes post delivery, I was keeping my calm. But then I thought I had a lot of free time then. I thought, let me just research and stick to a proper skincare plan where I can at least fight those problems. My skin became extremely dry. I used to have redness, I used to have flaky skin. My skin is dry, but it was never flaky. So those problems surfaced then. And then when I read, and I read more, and I researched more, and I found out a lot of things. I found out a lot of products, and then YouTube was also significantly, making its mark on the social media platform. So I got a lot of help, and I have gained, some trusted YouTubers whose review I really trust, like you guys trust mine. So I followed their videos and I tried using the products that they recommended. I was, when it comes to YouTube, you should always try to focus on YouTubers whose skin type is similar to yours, whose skin tone is similar to yours. So I follow those YouTubers whose skin is, a dry, they have a very dry skin type or a dry skin type. And I try to follow makeup YouTubers whose skin tone is like mine, who are NC40, so that, whatever foundations they recommend, I can directly buy them, because it's not physically possible to go and try every foundation. And during this pandemic, so you really can't go out. So it is very important to follow those YouTubers whose skin type and skin tone, and preferences and everything is like similar to your personality. So that makes your life really easy. That's a tip that I wanted to share. So yeah, so I did a lot of research, and then I decided to stick onto a skincare plan and be religiously following it. And I saw a huge difference in my skincare game. It really transformed my skin. So without any further delay, guys, let's start the video. I'm going to talk about 5 skincare habits that transformed my skin. Number 1 is double cleansing method. This method is so effective and so powerful that I can't even explain you. This is the best decision in terms of skincare that I took for my skin, and I've been loving this method so far. So, double cleansing method means I clean my face twice. Firstly, with a balm cleanser. This is Pure by Priyanka Makeup Remover Balm Cleanser. This is specifically for dry skin type. I love this makeup remover or cleanser. This is a very hydrating formula, and directly I don't like to use a face wash to take. I'm taking very little today because I don't have makeup. My skin is completely clear and off any makeup, and that's the reason I'm taking very little. You can see how hydrating and slippery this balm is. After I remove the makeup and I wipe my face, my skin feels extremely hydrated. Feels very, very hydrated, and that's the reason I love this balm cleanser. With a clean cotton pad, I will just Wipe it off. Nothing much has come out because I did not have anything on my face. I usually like doing this during the night skincare routine because I really want my face to be very clean when I go to bed. Even if I'm not wearing makeup or I'm not shooting that day, I like to take off the sunscreen and the serums and the moisturizer that has been sitting on my face for the entire day and apply my fresh night skincare. So I really like to double clean my face. So this is the balm cleanser, and then I wash my face using this Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals face wash. Guys, I spoke about this face wash. This is a very recent find and I've been loving this face wash. I mean, till date, whatever face wash that I've been talking about, this is the best till date. I mean, this is such a freaking pretty and beautiful product for all skin type. I mean, very, very hydrating, extremely hydrating. I got this from Nykaa. There was a discount running for Mother's Day, and I've been using this face wash for the past 1 week or 10 day now and just love it. I'll just put some water. Guys, if you trust my feedback, you have to try this face cleanser or face wash. I mean, I am so sure that you will fall in love with it. This is the best face wash that I have ever tried. Just in love with it. I'm going to quickly rinse my face and be right back. This face wash makes my skin squeaky clean, and after that double cleansing method, I feel so satisfied that all the product, the makeup, the gunk, the pollution, the dirt, everything is just pulled out of my skin and it feels so happy. So, this face wash is not something, this is not a makeup removing product, guys. If you are someone who is just directly washing the face to remove the makeup, you are doing a terrible mistake. Don't do that. You always have to use a makeup remover first, may it be a cleansing balm or a micellar water or a oil based makeup remover, whatever is your preference. You have to first do that and then wash your face so that your skin is completely clear of any residue. We are done with the first step, which is double cleansing method. Now move on to the second step, which is chemical exfoliator. Don't worry, guys, even I freaked out the way you freak out when you hear the word or the term chemical exfoliator, but trust me, after having a lot of research and reading about things, I discovered and I understood that physical exfoliators are much more dangerous and harmful to your skin than chemical exfoliators. Chemical exfoliators are designed in a lab suitable for your skin and they are different concentration. I'll talk to that in a bit, but physical exfoliator does a lot of damage to your skin in the long run. I mean, the coarse particle, the granules that we actually use to physically exfoliate our skin causes a lot of irritation, a lot of redness, it tears the skin surface, and there are a lot of problems which we face when we physically exfoliate our skin. I know a lot of us have been doing this for years now, but back then we did not had chemical exfoliator. I would really recommend all of you guys to try out chemical exfoliation. It is not harmful, it is not acids. If you're thinking of acids you're going to it's not like that. It is it is formulated in lab. Of course, it is chemistry, they are chemicals, but they are formulated which is completely safe for your skin. Instead of rubbing and scrubbing granulated scrubs on the skin surface and causing purging and tearing of the skin tissues and the top layer of our skin, it is chemically exfoliating our skin is 100% safe. Now, when we talk about chemical exfoliator, there are AHAs, BHAs and PHAs. Now, don't get confused. I will soon be doing a video only talking about chemical exfoliator. I will talk in detail about all the three components of chemical exfoliator in that video. But today, I'm going to quickly tell you about AHA and BHA. AHA is for dry skin type. people, those who have dead skin problem, those who just want to take off the dead skin and give a bright skin, give way to your inner bright skin, those who want to take care of the aging issues. It helps you to fight wrinkles and gives you hydration, keeps your skin plump. So specifically it's for dry skin type. Now BHA is for acne prone, for oily, for combination, for sensitive skin type. If you are acne prone, if you have active acne, then you should always use a BHA. Actually you should use nothing on active acne, but if you are acne prone, you should always go for BHA, which is salicylic acid. AHAs are glycolic acid or lactic acids. So I have been using this Dot & Key Skincare 5% AHA toner, skin clarifying liquid exfoliant. I have been loving this product. There are a lot of other options in the market. You can always try and test whatever suits you. So I like to spritz it over my face like this. Take a clean cotton pad and just wipe it off with a light hand. Do not exert any kind of pressure. This toner really helps you fight blackheads, whiteheads. I mean, it has really transformed my skin. I so love chemical exfoliation. I was also someone who was really scared to try chemical exfoliator. I mean, it sounds so scary, but it is not. So initially I started using a AHA toner, this Dot & Key, and I used to use it like 3 times a week, and then I started using it 4 times a week, and now my skin has completely gotten used to it and I can use it like daily. It is a 5% AHA, completely safe for the skin. They are 10%, they are 25%, they are too harsh. But right now I'm happy with the fact how 5% AHA has been reacting on my skin and keeping my skin very bright and plump and hydrated. So yeah, so this is the second step, which is our chemical exfoliation. Now moving on to the third step, using a serum. So guys, there are a lot of serum in the market. I mean, you really have to try different products and just find out what you like and what are your skin goals. Right now, as it is daytime, it is not my night skincare routine. I am using this L'Oreal Paris Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Again, this is also hyaluronic acid. Don't freak out, this is not acid, but this is a very nice hydrating serum. This serum does nothing to your face apart from giving hydration, and that's something I really need. So I would like to take few drops of the serum and dab it into my skin. Instead of serum, you can also use moisturizer, but I prefer serums. During summer, my skin slightly becomes combination. It is not as dry as it is in winter, so I don't need any thick moisturizer to keep my skin hydrated. Instead, I just use a serum. So I just dab and pat it into my skin. Now, the next step is the most important step, and I think a step which 95%, 98% Indians tend to ignore and avoid, which is sunscreen. Guys, for sunscreen, I love this recent find of mine, which is Requill's Ultra Matte Dry Touch Sunscreen Gel. This is such a fabulous product. I mean, I just love it. Guys, sunscreen is a very important part of your day skincare routine. I know, earlier times sunscreens used to be very dense, very heavy. It used to leave a white cast, used to make your skin very greasy, but those days are gone. Nowadays they are coming, brands are coming with such beautiful formula that you will not even, it is so lightweight. Sunscreens are so lightweight, and guys, there are a lot of harmful UV rays. You guys know the theory, the story behind it, but then still I know most of us, we just tend to ignore sunscreen. Even if you are indoors, the sun rays that come inside, through your window, through your glass doors, are also equally harmful for your skin. So just make a sunscreen part of your day skincare, and you will see tremendous change in your skincare game. Tremendous. I mean, I've used it for past few years, and trust me, I mean, you can see the result. Why do I like this particular sunscreen? Because this is matte, and secondly, it has a very makeup primer like texture, which I really like. I mean, It feels very silicone, on the skin, and really glides into the skin very effortlessly. No white cast whatsoever. You should always use a sunscreen which you really like, otherwise, I know it will be inside the drawer gathering dust. So please choose a sunscreen which is extremely lightweight, blends into your skin. Guys, please try this sunscreen. I just love this sunscreen. The formula is just too good, too good. And most importantly, this is a broad spectrum sunscreen. This has SPF 50 and it has PA triple plus, sorry, 4 times plus. So broad spectrum sunscreen, as in it protects you from UVA and UVB, both the components. So just try and choose a sunscreen which gives you protection from both the components of sun rays. Now the last step, which is using a under eye cream. As you guys know, I am in my early 30s and I really want to take care of my skin so that my fine lines and my signs of aging are really delayed. We cannot completely ignore it and take it out of our life. It will definitely come, but we can surely delay the process. And if you take a very good care of your skin, then these things will appear very less on your face. So I like using a under eye cream because my under eye area, the skin under our eye is very thin, so it is more likely that we develop wrinkles and fine lines under our eye, and on the laugh line. And if few people get it on the forehead as well, I have no issues anywhere else, but I have issues of fine lines. It's not very major, but it has started developing, which is why I would always like to keep it hydrated and moist. And specifically during my night skincare, I always apply a good eye cream, because if that area is hydrated, it is very less likely that I will develop fine lines. And even if there are few fine lines, it will not completely go away, but then it will surely reduce. So a good eye cream is extremely important. If you don't want to invest on an eye cream, just use a moisturizer and keep your under eye area hydrated. That's all I'm wanting to say. But I like to use an eye cream. I'm using this Juicy Chemistry Rose and Coffee Damask Organic Eye Cream for dark circles and fine lines. This is specifically made for dark circles and fine lines. Guys, I don't have any dark circle issue. If you guys have, then please understand that dark circles are result of few things. It is either hereditary, it is excessive stress, less sleep. There could be a lot of things, and I know this pandemic has been giving a very tough time to a lot of people. Lack of sleep, stress. So if you have dark circles because of less sleep and stress, you can definitely take care of your dark circles and rectify your lifestyle, and then you can see a visible result on your dark circles. But then guys, if you have hereditary dark circles, then please, I don't want to give you false hope. There is nothing much that you guys can do. Of course, you can take care of them, you can reduce them, but it will not go off completely. So I use a night cream, under eye cream, for my fine lines. And this cream is so buttery. I just love the texture, and I love the fact that it keeps my under eye area. I also apply some on the crowfoot area. I don't have any, but then it might come up. I just spread some on my forehead. So for people, those who use a lot of their eyebrow as a facial expression, they tend to form lines on their forehead. And of course, I am very animated. I do talk with a lot of expressions, so I like to spread some on my forehead as well. So guys, I am done with my 5 basic skincare which will transform your skin. As I said, please stick to these plan or try this product, and you will surely see a huge difference in the terms of your skin health. And as you can see, I have just applied all the skincare that I just showed, and you can see how glowing, how clear my skin looks right now. And trust me, it was not like this all the time. I mean, I've really struggled a lot with my skin issues. It is only very recently, as I said, since 2018, I've been trying and testing out different products, and I've been sticking on. I've been very, very honest to my skincare routine, and that's the reason my skin right now is completely different the way it was before 2018. This skin, this Supriya is very different before the Supriya which was before 2018. I mean, I was just taking my skin for granted then. So guys, please try this skincare and these products and stick to these 5 habits. Try them, and I'm sure you will transform your skin the way I have. So see you guys super soon with a new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.